Okay, hi guys, my name is Christine, and today I'm going to speak to you about bank loans. Okay, uh, bank loan, there are different categories of bank loans. One of them is personal loan, another one is business loan, another one is secured loan, there's home loan, and many other loans. So today we are going to speak about personal loans. Personal loans, basically, there's no security. It's just 100% trust that you're going to pay back the money. Therefore, it is a huge risk, and therefore, the banks are very careful on who they give their money to, because they really, really want their money back. So that is because that is how they survive, giving out loans and asking for interest. So, when you ask for a personal loan, the banks will look at your credit history. Your credit history is basically, they will ask for your bank statement, and in your bank statement, the banks will be checking at, do you have loans with other banks? Have you taken loans with other banks? And how have you paid it? Did you take a little while to pay, or did you pay on the exact date you agreed with the bank, or what happened? Basically, they will look at how have you been repaying your loans. Do you have any bouncing checks? you know Such things they will look at. They will look at also, do you have any form of credit card? Okay, they will look for that also in your bank statement. Basically, they will want to get this information in your bank statement. And if you have loans with these other banks, have you cleared them? Are you likely to clear them? Such things they will look at. That also, they will also look at your age. Banks love to give loans to people who are not approaching the retirement age. So so they will look at your age. Also, they will look at, are you likely, like, like if you're young, how long have you been dealing with your money? How long have you started? How long ago did you start earning your money? And how have you been treating your money? They always want to give loans to people who are very, very responsible. The purpose of the loan is also very, very important that banks look at. um are you taking the loan for an emergency? Are you taking out the loan for investment purposes? Are you taking the loan for entertainment? Some people do take loan for entertainment, by the way. They will want to follow up and ensure, they will want to ensure when you're given the loan, you will still have some form of, you still have a way to pay them back. So if you're taking the money and you're not going to invest, and you think your salary will pay it, it will be a bit risky. But some bank will give you, yes, but you know they will be a bit careful. you know so they will also look at your employer. How stable is your employer? So therefore, banks love giving money to government employees. Government employees, they love giving money to government employees. Also, they love giving money to their own employees, because you know the bank is the one who pay your salary. So if you have the loan with them, they will take your salary. They will want to look at how is your contract with your employer. Is it a permanent contract, or is it on contract to contract basis? And if it's on contract to contract basis, how long is your contract? They will also want an insurance from your employer that you will pay your loans. They will no they will tell you, they will want an insurance from your employer that should you give them a resignation, should you have any form of disciplinary issues that will likely to cost you your job, they will inform the bank. And also, if you're changing jobs, the bank will also want from employer an assurance. Some banks will also, depending on your employer and the agreement, they will also want the employer to pay them direct before they give you your salary, which is the best. Actually, banks feel much safer if your employer accepts to be sending them the loan you've taken with them before they remit your salary to your bank. They love that, and mostly that's what they do. Yeah. So also, your work experience is very important to the banks. The more experienced you are to your work, the higher your chances of getting the loan. The relationship with the bank is also very important. As earlier I had said earlier, the banks will look at how long have you banked with them, or how long have you banked with your current banker. Also, they will want to know of how you've been running your account. Does it have any form of standing orders, and do you pay them on time? Do you do you have any bouncing checks and such more? Do you have any form of credit cards, and do you surpass your limit? Do you always hit your limit, or are you always below your limit? Those are the things the employer will the banks will check. Sorry, the banks will check. Also, wait, just a minute. Also, the banks will want to check on how long have you taken a loan with them before, and how have you been paying them. That is actually a huge thing. Even before they look at how you've been paying other banks, your other loans. If you've not been paying their loans well, and you've been paying other people well, they will not give you the loan. I can tell you that for free. So they will look at how have you been paying them your loan. Okay, so basically that is what banks look at, and I'm planning to tell you more about banks, because that is what I want. That is my profession, and I would like to help people, so that, because bank is a huge part of any economy. So if you utilize your bank well, you can build yourself, and in turn build your country, and in turn build the world. Okay, so please, if you like this, please tell me on the comment section what you think about this this video, and how would you want me to improve in it. Please don't be harsh, just, this is a positive place. So I'm just hoping you'll tell me if you want any form of improvement, or what do you think about this. Has it helped you? Were you wondering? Were you thinking about it? And yeah, just tell me on the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel, and please hit the notification button. If anytime I post a video, you're going to learn about it. Thank you. Please subscribe. Bye.